it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Y'all see him in the streets struggling, young, dumb, and thuggin', give a fuck about nothing. Stuck at rock bottom, trying to come up on something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling. Vision, my nigga, now get in where you fit in. And see prison as just a high cost of living, the life. Ante up, cause if you blow that dice on that OZ, Dorothy ain't going home tonight. That's on everything. Put it on the kids and the white. Been burying my folk ever since they raised the price on the coke. Searching for a quick antidote. More money, more problems to cope.
Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
On rainy days I sit back and count ways on how to get rich. Coolin' with a mean, ill Jamaican bitch. Banana coat matching with the ratchet. Low black weed, sweatpants style. Air Forces acting, jumping to 6 kicks. Lil' Chris talking about the bird. Float through your hood in the mean tents, that's giant. It's like the family that flipped on you for lying. Buried you alive, left your whole crying. We on your floor, look, more dogs. They ain't A either, I hope y'all niggas is on. And when we get there, all my niggas in the mix, yeah, Shalal legs. Diamond got me buying Louis Switch. Yo, bro, people say the clan was missing since I got dropped off of radio. Overnight, your whole style was bitten in the process. Everybody switched their names.
Yeah. Love is really clean and love is really pure, you know, girl. When I say love is something that no doctor can cure, so keep it forward to me, do, cause I really truly love you so. Promise I will never, 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 never let you go, because I really love you so, and I want my world to know. Yeah, you know, tell it to me. Ease your mind, for your hand is not needed here tonight. Feel your heartbeat, slow it down. Oh well, there's no need to rush, no need to rush. So stop thinking of things to do, steal a moment, take a few. Sit back and enjoy the view. You got to learn how to lose control. Time for a change to free. I'll give you love like you gave to me. Well, in your mind you say ready, but in your heart you say take it slow. Supposed to do, living in a time like this. What's the flipping do? So many people flipping their lips. Keep taking the children to the park. Don't let them break your poor little heart. Don't let no one get you down, cause your storm will bring no calm.
in raging force. You'll be sorry the day you were born, when they cast away your arm. You know, man and woman, we have to talk. Even if you don't like what, even if it makes you mad and we ball. Sometimes it's lack of understanding, and me and you can manage before we break down and damage our mind, our heart and soul. Our mind, our heart and soul. Flip your lips, don't lose it. Don't flip your lips, don't lose it. Don't flip your lips.
Well.
West Wind Trailer.